All right, here we go. You guys ready? 2021 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire Mega Box, I guess you want to call it. Looking for the autographs. Should be one per box. The odds are there it is, 1 in 10 packs, and there are 8 packs per box. So I mean, technically we could not get one, but so a lot of boxes, well, decent amount of boxes get open, and most of them had them. So there's the other odds on there if anyone cares. We got 1 in 13 for a green, 1 in 26 for an orange. Superfractor, 1 in 900. Superfractor auto is 1 in 5,000. Or, yeah, Superfractor auto, 1 in 5,800. I don't know what this is. Does anyone know? Pad Paradasha?
It's out of 10.
Is it? What? How do you say that?
It should be like a pink sapphire.
Really? Have you saw it? Have you saw it before?
Yeah, I've seen some on eBay, not open
Yeah.
personally.
Do you know how to say that? Pad Paradasha?
I have no idea.
Alright, I'll just slaughter it real quick. Alright, here we go. 8 packs, 4 cards per pack, 38 total cards. High end box here. Higher end. I shouldn't say high end, but higher end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. We got a little stand over here. You never know. Move this. Alright. Good luck. We're going to start out with a Tony Watson. Cole Tucker. Man, these are so nice. Joakim Soria. And a rookie card, Edwin Uketa. Uketa, I'm not sure how to say his name, but it's a rookie, so we'll take it. All right, pack 1 down. Andrew, I don't have a stack with you, right? You don't have a stack with me, I guess I should say. I think you had just shipped yours, right?
I honestly don't know.
All right, here's our auto. Let's save it. Because why not? We did get an auto. I think I just shipped it. I was trying to organize a little better, and I couldn't find yours, so I'm pretty sure we just shipped it. So I was just double checking. Aaron Sanchez. Perez for the Red Sox. Matt Harvey. And Spencer Turnbull. No rookies in that pack. Pack number 3. Lane Thomas. Jake Arrieta. Giovanni Galligo. I'm not sure how to say his last name, but Giovanni. And Chase Anderson. Giovanni Gallardos. That's how you say it, isn't it? All right, next pack. Michael Waka. There we go, another rookie. Bradley Ober. Franklin Kilome. And Lance Lynn. Get these rookies sleeved up. I know they're not probably not stand worthy, but I'm going to top load the rookies and get them protected and kind of set them up here. So, because you never know. All right, Walker. We got a green. I'm gonna go from the back. Zach Wheeler. Yu Chang. And our green is a pitcher for the Yankees. Jonathan Loaiza. I think that's how you say it. Could be wrong, but green, number 250. I love how they just changed the numbers up from a 99 to 50 once you go to Sapphire. That's a sweet card. Let's get the Yankees. They were taken. Oh, I have that cut off, don't I? Here, let me fix that real quick. Oh, wait, no, that's all. Oh, Yankees right there, Dave. Never mind. Forgot there was only 10 people. All right. Luke Raleigh? Matt Shoemaker. Will Harris. And Key Brian Hayes, rookie debut. That's a beauty. Oh shoot, I moved it. I'm gonna move it back here in a sec. Not sure who this Luke Riley guy is, but nice one there for the Pirates, which was Dylan. I was taken later on, second round. Late in the second round. All right, second to last pack. Last pack has our auto. We got a rookie, Joey Gerber for the Mariners. Another rookie, Alan Torrejo and Jordan Sheffield. A dual rookie, both for the Rockies. Another rookie, Jordan Holloway for the Marlins. And Casey Mize. There we go. Nice one there, rookie debut. I think Paul's going to be pretty mad that you pulled that, Andrew.
I know.
I know he's trying to. He told me he was trying to get him from you. It's his team. Shut him down. All right, let me get these last couple rookies up here. Just get them top loaded and up on the stand. And we'll go into our last pack with the auto. There we go. All right, here we go. We got Drew Smiley for the A's. Trevor May for the Mets. We got a Victor Caratini. Caratini, I guess. Not a rookie. And our auto is... Boom! Alex Kirilloff. Look at that. Josh. That's a nice one there, huh?
Boom, boom.
Boom, boom. Nice. Let me get that one nice and protected. There we go. Look at that. Sticker auto, but all right. Let's roll through these top loaded cards real quick. All right, Gerber. I'll just run through these rookies most of them are not anything. Bailey Ober. Ober? Yeah, Ober. Cologne. Then we got the. What was that? Yeah, this guy. Number to 50. So Jared was right. There's one number to 50 card in there. Key Brian Hayes. Casey Mize. And Alex Kirilloff. I'll have to look that one up. It might make the make the Bob's hits or whatever page. If it's over 100. I'm sure it probably is. So congrats Josh on that one. Congrats on the other couple good rookies. I will get this posted up on YouTube and pictures of the hits.